Readers are leaders. You must read these 12 books if you are in the age between 25 to 45. So these books changes your perspective of your life, and also it boosts your career. And you have to start injecting a new information into the brain where it will help you to transform your life. And also these books gives a lot of confidence about your life. Book number 1, Atomic Habits by James Clear. In this book, author clearly explains how you can overcome bad habits and how you can start new good habits. And in this book, author clearly explains a framework, a process and practices how you can overcome your bad habits and how you can start new habits. So this book for sure it will help you to transform your career and also relationship. Start reading this book and this give you immense results. Number 2, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. So this book inspired generations of readers. This is one of the best selling book all time, and this will help you to discover yourself and helps you to make better living, and it helps a lot for career transformation. Number 3, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. In this book, author explain about your subconscious mind and how you can follow your dreams and thoughts. So this is one of the most self-improvement book that you can gift yourself and also for your loved one. So this explains how your thoughts form and how you can follow your thoughts and how you can change those thoughts into reality. And also it will help you to how you can overcome fear and you can start following your dreams. Number 4, Ikigai, the Japanese secret to happy and long life. So this book gives a meaning of your purpose, and this book helps you to understand what is your purpose and gives a life-changing tools to discover yourself. Number 5, Disrupt Yourself by Whitney Johnson. Playing safe is not always safe in this competitive world. So this book helps you how you can disrupt your current position wherever you are, whatever position you are, and this book helps you to how you can come out of your safety zone and how you can boost your career. And this book helps a step by step a process and the procedure how you can achieve your target or your aspirations in your life. Number 6, Rich Dad and Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki. So this is the starting point of how you can gain control of your financial aspects, and also this book will help you to how building an assets is more important than a big paychecks. Yes, start reading. This will helps you in a financial control. Number 7, The Silva Mind Control Method by Joe Silva. So this book will help you to overcome anxiety, bad habits and emotional insecurity and also fear. And also it will help you to overcome illness by following a proven mind control techniques. And also this book will help you to how creative visualization will help you to manifest your desires into reality. Book number 8, How Emotions Are Made by Lisa Feldman. This book all about a brain science and about emotions. How your emotions are formed in your brain and what is the source of those emotions and how these emotions are going to influence your personal life. After reading this book, you can clearly observe how emotions are influencing your personal life and how they have formed. After reading this book, you will change your perspective about your emotions and you can easily control your emotions. Number 9, Drive by Daniel H. Pink. So this book will help you to understand your inner strengths and also give you a list of approaches to motivate yourself. Number 10, The Yoga Sutras of Patanjali by Swami Sachidananda. So in this book, the author Swamiji clearly explains what is the importance of yoga, postures, meditation, and how these tools will transform your life. And this is one of the best book I ever read. This for sure, this book will transform your life. Number 11, Vedanta, Voice of Freedom by Swami Vivekananda. In this book, Swami Vivekananda explained what is God, what is soul, what is religion. And also he briefly explained about what is Raja Yoga, what is Gnana Yoga, what is Bhakti Yoga and what is Karma Yoga. And also this book will help you to how you can overcome anxiety, fearfulness and weakness. So for sure this book will change after reading this book. It will change your perspective about a life. Number 12 and last one, the ancient science of mantras. This book all about a mantra yoga and how you can do sadhana of mantra reciting. And this book explains you how mantra can be chanted and what is the source of mantra and how and why mantra can be recited, and it will explain what kind of energies it brings to your life by chanting a mantra. I hope this information is helpful. Start reading these books and transform your life. Thanks for watching this video.